Have you seen cool Facebook posts with colored or patterned backgrounds and wondered how to make your own? In this video I'll be showing you how to make Facebook posts with backgrounds. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap the What's in Your Mind text box to start creating a new status. Now type in what you want your post to say. To add a background to your post, tap one of the colors or patterns in the menu that appears below the text box, or tap the button with squares on it to see the full list of background options. Tap a background design to apply it to your post. You're happy with how your post looks, go ahead and share it to your feed. That's all it takes to make Facebook posts with backgrounds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.